Hello everyone, I'm Shantanu with Gratitude Point and I'm here with Jasenia. Today we are going to show you how to approach strangers in a way that is comfortable to them, and we'll show that with an example where about how to approach and ask a girl out for a dance. The first thing we're going to talk about is the approach and how a certain way we approach can be comfortable versus it could be uncomfortable. So there are a few things like the space between the two of you which can make you comfortable or uncomfortable. But one of the other things that is also important is whether you're looking at each other, whether you're facing each other or not. So for example, if we are turned away from each other like this, it is not very intrusive and it could still be comfortable. But if we are facing each other like this, and when I'm looking this way, it is still a little bit more comfortable than if I look like straight into her eyes. So first I'll show you how to not approach, which is the less comfortable way, and then we'll show you how the better way to approach. So this is something not to do. So look at the other person and then just walk straight like that, looking straight into their eyes. So in this second instance, we're going to still be facing each other, but we're not going to look at each other. So we do it like this. Okay? And so this is a little bit more comfortable than just facing and approaching straight. Okay, so in this third instance, we are going to show how you approach where you're not straight facing the other person, or you're not even looking at them while approaching. So what you do is you walk, you look the other way, walk, and you get close to them that way. So next we are going to talk about how to get the other person's attention while you've already approached them, how to get their attention in a way that is not too intrusive, it's still comfortable. One of the best ways to do it is through a gentle touch, and we're going to talk about a touch that is comfortable versus a touch that is uncomfortable. So one thing you could do is when you're close to them, you approach them, you could touch them from the front of your hand like this, and you could also look at them like that. Okay, so I walk, not looking at her, and then I touch her with the back of my hand. I'll do a touch like this, and while I'm touching her, I'm not going to look at her. So I walk, and when I touch her like that, I look away, and then I move my hand away, and then I look into her eyes. And so that's when I engage with her, and then I do the further talking. Okay, so next we're going to talk about smile and the importance of the timing of the smile. Because when you smile can either come across as creepy or it can come across as sincere. Hey, you want to dance? Okay, so in this shot we're going to see how I'm going to approach and be happy-go-lucky before I actually ask her for a dance, and while I'm asking her for a dance, my smile will actually go down and be sincerely asking, like I'm expecting an answer. Hey, you want to dance?
Sure.